pull that door shut. No. Bye, Olga.
Ali's iPhone.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. What is your full name, please?
Attorney Ali Ajami, P84476.
All right, and who's your client?
Manuel Gordillo.
And what is it set for?
A pretrial, I believe.
Okay, Manuel, is he here?
I'll be with him shortly, and we'll be together on Zoom.
Okay.
It's on the court's docket for today, correct?
All right. You'll go to breakout room 4, and you can wait in there for the city attorney to see if you can work it out. If your client takes a deal, make sure your client is fully advised of his advice or rights.
Understood. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good morning to you, counselor. What is your client's name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. My client's Michael Gerson.
Set for a formal hearing. So what we do is we'll give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30, from 8:30 to 9 in this instance. And if the officer appears, you can go to breakout room 4 and see if you can work it out with the city attorney. If the officer does not appear, then you know what to do, okay?
Well, of course, Your Honor. Has the officer checked in yet?
I do not know that. There's a few officers here, but I'm not sure if that officer is on the list. So let's see who that officer is.
I believe it's Legursky, Your Honor.
He's here. He's here.
Okay.
All right. All right. If he wants to speak with you himself, then that's fine as well, too.
Okay. Your Honor, you mentioned the breakout room. Sorry. Could you repeat that?
That's breakout room 4. You'd go in there to meet with the city attorney.
Very good. Thank you.
Officer Legowski is willing to speak with you himself.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Lunguski here. Yeah, I got no problem with that.
All right, city attorney's coming in now. I'll put you all in breakout room. Good morning, Ms. Horn. Officer and attorney are here to speak with you.
Okay, good morning, Your Honor.
And I'll put them all in the breakout room.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning, Officer Nelson, Officer Taylor. Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Good morning, Ms. Barrett.
Good morning, Judge. I got 3.
Good morning to you on Zoom user. What is your name, sir?
My name is Anthony Lackey.
Judge,
Anthony.
that's my client.
Anthony who?
Lackey.
Lackey?
Yes.
All right. Anthony Lackey. All right, that is set for
In
trial.
Yes. What room you gonna put him in?
You can put him in breakout room 5. Anthony Lackey, trial. No. Mr. Lackey, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Your attorney, Ms. Barrett, is here. Just sit tight there and wait on her to come see you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Attorney Ali Ajami on the Manuel Gordillo case. I never received a prompt to enter breakout room 4, and I just wanted to bring that to your attention.
You're the co-host, so you can move around. I'll send you to breakout room 4, but you're the co-host, so you can move around at your leisure.
Okay, thank you. Sorry about that.
Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself? Can you start your camera and state your name, please?
Shoot. Oh my God.
Can you unmute yourself? Can you start your camera and state your name, please? Good morning to you.
I'm sorry. Good morning. My
What is
name
your-
is Kelly McDowell.
Say that again.
Kelly McDowell.
McDonald?
McDowell.
McDowell.
Yes. Yes.
Miss McDowell, are you landlord tenant?
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
I see. McDowell, I see. Kind of surprised you're in here, but you are. I only generally have the names G or G or L, and I don't know how they got you assigned to me, but I don't know whether that's a good thing or bad thing. All right, Miss McDowell, let me rename her Kelly. McDowell. They keep coming in. All right. Let me find out who this is on the telephone at 313-565-1127. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Mel Gray.
Say that again.
Mel Gray. That's Melgray.
All right, Mel Gray. Good morning to you.
I am.
Good morning.
All right. Everybody, I'm going to mute you, Mr. Gray. And when you hear your name called, you can press *6 to unmute yourself, okay?
Okay.
Madam Senior Interpreter, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Madam Interpreter, I'm sorry.
That's quite all right. Good morning. How are you?
I'm well.
I do not have any information except that you need me.
So that would be Eugenio Gonzalez.
Okay.
You ready for the case numbers?
Yes.
SP 1867030, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Okay. Señor Eugenio González, usted
He's
necesita.
not in the room yet.
Oh, he's not.
Not yet. We'll bring him in. We haven't gotten started yet, so we're about to get going now.
Okay.
And I'll get you out of here as soon as I possibly can.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Rise, please mute your devices. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings. If you have any kind of head covering that does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I have everyone checked in. There is an order, so be patient. I know the people in the beginning of the list are gonna be happy. The people at the end of the list are probably gonna get a little frustrated, but we're gonna try to do the best we can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit. And the people on the telephone, when we call your name, you have to press *6 to unmute yourself. Let me check these last two people in. Probably won't be the last two people, but.
Did he get a vice versa?
The one that has an attorney?
Samaj,
That's the one that has an attorney?
no, the young man came in with the phone that you put on the phone.
You got a vice versa? Okay.
All right, on the TCL device, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Have to unmute yourself, please.
Is you talking about Jeffrey Lowe?
No, I'm sending, they know who I'm speaking of. TCL, there you are.
Saifuddin Abdul Latif.
Say that again.
Saifuddin Abdul Latif.
Latif,
Yeah.
good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Pretty much.
And on the telephone at 980-420-8067, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Tahir Levy.
Say that again.
Tahir Levy.
I still didn't get that.
Tahir Levy.
Levy?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. Let's see. Oh, Tahir Levy. Somebody got to turn their background noise off, please. All right, City of Detroit versus Samaj A. Gales, case number SP 13554891. Appearance for the record, please.
Willis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gales.
Mr. Gales. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Gales.
Samaj Gales.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial Mr. Gales, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry, Mr. Gales owes three. Oh, let me say this to everyone. There's a amnesty program going on until April the 2nd. The amnesty program covers late fees and warrant fees. It does not cover reinstatement fees. Mr. Gale, you owe a reinstatement fee on this no insurance proof. If you paid that $240, you would get clearances here at the 36th District Court, potentially setting yourself up to get a valid driver's license. You owe the other two civil infractions of a disregarding a red signal and a 1 to 5 over. We're not going to discuss those today, but the no insurance proof is potentially affecting your ability to get a license. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put him in the breakout room with you. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. Gales. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll pass the matter. He's in the room, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Madam Interpreter. Madam Interpreter. Okay, did we lose the interpreter? All right, so let's get down to
Good morning, Your Honor. The interpreter step out of the room for a minute. Did you need the assistance of the interpreter?
yes.
Oh,
Madam, can you state your name for the record, please?
Ines Ucros, INES, Ucros, UCROS, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
You solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God.
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor, yes.
Very well. Eugenio Gonzalez.
Eugenio González. Active su micrófono, por favor.
Listo.
Ready.
This is the Detroit versus Eugenio Gonzalez, case number SP 1867030, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la Fiscalía de Detroit contra el señor Eugenio González, número de caso SP 186-70301, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Por favor, las personas que se encuentran en este caso, preséntense para que conste en el acta.
Cherica Harris, good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez.
Yo soy la señora Erika Harris representando al señor González.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. Gonzalez. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor González, hoy ha sido la fecha y la hora seleccionada para una audiencia previa al juicio. Tenga en cuenta que si a usted no le gusta esta oferta, usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio.
Okay.
When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Sorry, Your Honor, I didn't give him any instructions to leave to the breakout room. Do you?
He's in there.
Oh, he's in there. Okay.
Ms. Barrett, are you ready on anyone?
No, Judge.
And you have Lackey, right?
Yes. And I also have Jaquai Lee. And I was waiting for my other person to check in. I didn't see him.
Lee is here. I'm gonna put Lee, Janiqua Lee, I'm gonna good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in, breakout room 6, okay?
Okay,
You wait on Miss Harris, wait on Miss,
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
I have one. Okay,
Mr. Dean,
thanks.
good morning to you. Miss Medina, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
My client is Mr. Alexis Vargas. I'm wondering if it's your alphabet case.
It would not be my alphabet case.
Can I have then, Your Honor, a date and the judge of his alphabet? Because we're also resolving another matter for him at 36.
Is your client here?
I could have him log on, Your Honor. I just spoke with him via phone. He's on standby to log on. You want me to get him on?
No, this is the city of Detroit versus Alexis Vargas Meza, case number SP 1588376, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Christopher, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. The Record, if you allow me to, and requesting that we get a date before his alphabet judge.
Yes, it looks like April 8th, maybe. I will waive your client's presence. You indicated to the court that you've spoken with your client, and you're in contact with your client. Your client wants to go to his alphabet judge. For purposes of arraignment,
We would waive formal reading and stand mute, Your Honor.
and we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Will your client need an interpreter?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Pretrial date is April the 17th in front of Judge Larry Williams.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck.
You have a great day to you and your
You have a
staff.
better one.
Bye.
Thank you, bye. April 17th, right?
Yes.
SARS Garcia,
Yeah.
Buenos
Hi.
dias.
Buenos dias.
You need an interpreter, sir?
Yeah.
Jose G.
Hello?
Jose G. Buenos dias.
Yes, Your Honor. How you doing,
You
sir?
You don't need an interpreter, do you?
No, sir.
And what is your full name?
Jose Luis Granado.
Say that again.
Jose
Okay, I
Luis
see.
Granado. Yeah.
All right, you set for trial. Abute, right?
Yeah. I don't really use that one, but yeah, I think because it's hyphenated.
All right, anybody that's set for trial, we're going to give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer doesn't show, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does show, then we will get you into speaking with an attorney.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Bueno, señor González, vamos a volver a hablar de su caso. Yo, señor González, le di la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea hacer?
Here's a recommendation to dismiss.
Hay una recomendación para desestimar los cargos.
All right, case dismissed, per city attorney. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Bueno, entonces este caso ha sido desestimado de acuerdo al fiscal de la ciudad y si ya no tiene usted nada más pendiente, ya se puede retirar de esta audiencia. Buena suerte para usted.
Ok, muchas gracias.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Con
We
mucho
have
gusto.
another, is that Cesar Gonzalez Ox?
¿Hay alguna otra
Ox?
persona que requiera la asistencia de un intérprete, el señor César González Ox, o no?
César García.
César García.
Cesar Garcia, OXOM, correct?
OX, y el César García es OXOXM?
Sí, correcto.
Yes, that is correct.
This is the City of Detroit versus Cesar Garcia Oxum, case number XSP 1869400, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Estamos presentes en el acta en el caso del señor César García, la Fiscalía de Detroit contra el señor César García, número de multa SP 1869400, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Por favor, preséntense las partes para que consten en el acta.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Yo soy la señora Harris representando al demandado. Por favor, diga su nombre completo.
César Leonel García Oshum.
César Lismet García Oshum.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Bueno, entonces hoy ha sido la fecha y la hora seleccionada para una audiencia previa al juicio. La señora Harris le va a hacer una oferta que usted, por supuesto, está en todo su derecho de aceptar o no aceptar. Si no acepta esta propuesta, tiene el derecho a tener un juicio y yo lo voy a poner en una sala separada para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con la señora Harris para saber cuál es la oferta.
Ok, de acuerdo.
Okay. I'll wait.
Counselor, are you ready?
Your Honor, do you want me to go to breakout room number 3?
Yes, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Counselor, are you ready?
Not just yet, Judge, but I will be very shortly. Sorry about that.
Or we're just waiting on an attorney now?
Your Honor, sorry for speaking out of turn. We are ready now if the city attorney is ready or has reported to you.
Well, if you've reported to me, that's fine. If you worked it out,
That's right, Your Honor. So the parties have agreed on a plea.
let's call it. Let me call it. C. Detroit versus Michael Allen Gerson, case number SP 1875264, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tom Barishai, P836424 for the plaintiff. Michael Gerson is with me, next to me, Your Honor.
Mr. Gerson, good morning.
State your name for the record.
Hi, Michael Gerson.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Have you worked it out?
We have, Your Honor, on both counts. The city attorney has indicated that my client is willing to enter a plea for impeding. So 2 separate impeding counts.
All right, Mr. Officer Langowski, good morning to you. Can you state your name from down there? The record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Maverick Lunguski, badge 746, Detroit Police.
All right. So do you stipulate to the faces of the tickets as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. We got some noise in the hallway.
You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those responsible pleas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause. Well, with those, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the disregarding a red signal, and the other one is failure to, I don't know, I'll find your client responsible for the count of blocking traffic for that as well. I'm only going to fine him 175. When can he pay it? 175.
Your Honor, my client indicates he can pay that today.
All right, let me put that in the system now. You can come in and get the paperwork, and we can get them paid and close out. There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. And Officer Langowski, you have to be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you, Officer.
Yep.
So let's go back on the record with Mr. Gale. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display for the license.
Come on in.
And
Come on in here, Mr. Gales. Hang your phone up. I'm sorry, Mr. Berry.
And the failure to display for the license and the other 2 matters to be dismissed.
Well, there's no other 2 matters. We're not even discussing the other matters because that's been long in default. Mr. Gales, do you have $240 a day? No. You don't. So why are you pleading? Is this the only jurisdiction that you have your license is not good in? Yes. So you need to pay that $240, come back and bring a valid driver's license, and you potentially can get a better deal. You already owe $240 on the no insurance proof. You're signing up for another $240 and you're telling me you don't even have any money. Oh, I was mistaken. He was mistaken. It's not going to go away. I mentioned that those tickets are too set aside. Do you have $40 today? What do you mean potentially? Do you have $45 or not? Yes. All right. Go downstairs. I'm going to allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front. This is with the understanding that you're going to pay this off completely. we're not going to be hurt on that, but it's going to give you an opportunity to potentially bring back a valid driver's license. You want to take that opportunity? Yeah. All right. I'm going to set a pretrial date for April the 23rd, 2026 at 8:30. That's your next date. Go downstairs, put that $45. Miss Mathis is going to put it in the system. Once she puts that in the system, you go down there and pay it. That should give you clearances here at the 36th District Court. Go to the Secretary of State and ask them for a license. If they don't give you a valid license, you can ask them for a printout of everything that's affecting your license. Then we'll come back on the 23rd and we'll see where you're at, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Officer Wilson. Officer Wilson.
All right, City of Detroit versus Tall Spencer Lieber Jr. Case number SP 1867977, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leader.
Al Spencer Lever Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, you have an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Bueno, vamos a hablar del caso del señor García. Señor García, usted tuvo la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado de oficio. Señor abogado de oficio, ¿qué desea hacer el señor?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of failing to display.
Su señoría, mi cliente se va a declarar culpable a un cargo corregido de no haber presentado una licencia de conducción en el momento en el que lo detuvieron.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Garcia?
¿Esto es lo que usted desea hacer, señor García?
Sí, así es correcto.
Yes, that is correct.
Raise your right hand, please.
Levante su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que dirá la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí,
Yes.
Put your hand down.
Baje su mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
¿Usted entiende que el castigo máximo por este delito es tener 93 días de cárcel y pagar unas multas no mayores de $500?
sí, es correcto.
Yes, that is correct.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener juicio?
Sí,
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Y la señora Harris le explicó cuáles eran le dio la notificación de sus derechos. ¿Ella lo hizo?
sí,
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió estos derechos?
sí.
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
¿Y usted tiene alguna pregunta con respecto a estos derechos?
No, solo me declaro culpable.
No, I am going to declare myself guilty.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que al llegar a este acuerdo usted va a renunciar a estos derechos?
Sí,
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ofreció algo aparte de lo que estuvo declarado en el acta?
no,
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February 18th, 2026, around 3:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Finkel. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Bueno, yo quiero que usted recuerde la fecha del 16 de abril del 2026, aproximadamente a las 2:30 de la tarde, en el área de la intersección de Livernois y Ripple. ¿Usted recuerda que un agente de policía lo detuvo?
sí,
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba conduciendo un vehículo?
sí, estaba conduciendo el vehículo.
Yes, I was driving a vehicle.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el agente de policía le pidió que produjera una licencia de conducción válida.
Sí,
Yes.
Could not do so, could you?
Y usted no pudo hacer esto, ¿cierto?
sí, no.
Yes, I didn't have one, no.
Very well. I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
Bueno, entonces yo estoy aceptando la declaración de culpabilidad por no haber presentado una licencia de conducción en el momento en el que se la pidieron y usted estipula causa probable para desestimar los otros cargos.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
Se estipula, su señoría.
All right, 240, Mr. Garcia. When can you pay it?
Bueno, $240, señor García. ¿Cuándo puede pagarlos?
Sería hoy. o no sé cómo, no tengo idea cómo pagarlo.
It could be today, but I do not have an idea of how I can pay this.
I will give you until, the end of the week. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'll give you until April the 2nd. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Bueno, hay dos maneras en las que usted podría, o tres maneras en las que usted podría cancelar esta multa. Y yo le voy a dar hasta el fin de esta semana, hasta el día 2 de abril para pagarla. Usted puede acercarse a alguno de los kioscos que se encuentran alrededor de la ciudad. Estos kioscos se llaman DivDat. O usted podría pagar esta multa en persona o podría acercarse al juzgado en persona para pagar esto en las cajas del primer piso. Allá le di las tres maneras en las que usted podría cancelar esta multa.
Ok, ¿cuánto sería la multa que me dijo?
Okay, how much would it be? How much did you say?
$240.
$240.
Ok, está bien. Yo iré a los kioscos a cancelar.
All right, that will be all right. I will go to the kiosk to cancel
All
this
right,
amount of money.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Bueno, buena suerte para usted, señor. Que tenga un muy buen día.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremiah Isaiah Gray, case number SP 186-080, counts 1 and SP 186-5762, SP 186-7808, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record.
Dr. Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jeremiah Isaiah Gray.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gray, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, there's an improper lane use and a seatbelt ticket that is on the docket that Mr. Gray, I'll allow him to be heard on. Turn your camera on, sir. I'll allow him to be heard on. Mr. Gray, I'm speak to Ms. Harris, and if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Señor García, ya se puede retirar de la audiencia.
Sí, en eso estoy.
Cuelgue el teléfono. Your Honor, you don't need the interpreter any longer, correct?
You can ask Madam Interpreter to see if anyone else needs your services.
¿Hay alguna otra persona que requiera la asistencia de un intérprete en el idioma español? Por favor, active su micrófono e identifíquese.
Madam Interpreter, my client would actually need your services.
Can you
Who's your
please?
client? Manuel Gardillo?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Are
Your
we
Honor.
ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we need to turn your camera on. He's with you, right?
Yes, Your Honor. Here, I tried logging on my computer, but I'll just stay on my phone. Here we go.
Yeah, I can log on to, okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Manuel Reneso Gardillo, case number SP 186-621-9, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 186-625-8, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bueno, estamos presentes en la fiscalía contra el señor Manuel Gordillo, número de caso SP 186-6219, cargos 1 y 2, y la multa SP 186-258, cargos 1 y 2. Por favor, las personas que estén presentes para este caso, identifíquense para el acta.
Good morning, Your Honor, and everyone in the court. Attorney Ali Adami, P84476, on behalf of the defendant who is present with me via Zoom. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Buenos días, su señoría, y para todas las personas que se encuentran presentes en esta audiencia. Yo soy el abogado gálico, número de registro número de registro 84476, representando al señor Gardillo. Por favor, señor Gardillo, preséntese para que conste en el acta.
Sí, aquí estoy.
I am here. Diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Aquí estoy, Manuel Reynoso Gordillo.
Manuel Reynoso Gordillo.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial counselor. What does your client want to do?
Bueno, buenos días para usted, señor. Hoy ha sido la fecha y la hora seleccionada para una audiencia previa al juicio. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, we would like to avail ourselves of the offer made by the city attorney. My client will be pleading responsible to blockading, and the rest of the counts will be dismissed.
Su señoría, nosotros estamos aceptando la oferta que ha dado la fiscalía y estamos aceptando que se va a declarar responsable por haber bloqueado el flujo del tráfico y los otros cargos serán desestimados.
Sí,
You wanna
es
take-
responsable.
Yes, I am responsible.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Bueno, entonces usted está estableciendo la base de esta multa que se le impuso en representación de su cliente.
Sí,
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Y estipula causa probable para desestimar los otros asuntos.
No probable cause, I suppose, for purposes of having the matters dismissed.
No hay causa probable para el propósito de que estos asuntos sean desestimados.
No, you said you do not stipulate to probable cause?
Yes,
No, usted está diciendo que usted no estipula causa probable.
That's fine, Your Honor. Yes, we do.
Sí, esto está bien, su señoría, así lo hacemos.
All right, with that, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Other matters are dismissed. When can you pay?
Bueno, entonces yo voy a aceptar la declaración de responsabilidad de su cliente y los otros asuntos van a ser desestimados. La multa es de $175. ¿Cuándo puede usted pagarla?
Si me explica, ¿sería hoy mismo o en esta semana?
It could be today or this week.
I'll give you to the end of the week to pay it. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Pay it by April 2nd. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, both of you, and best of luck to you.
Bueno,
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Esta multa, entonces usted, yo le voy a dar hasta el fin de esta semana para pagarlo, hasta el 2 de abril para que pueda cancelar esta multa. La manera en la que usted puede cancelarla es acercándose a alguno de los kioscos que se encuentran alrededor de la ciudad, o a mí me habían comentado que usted podría subir la plataforma del juzgado para poder pagarla por intermedio de su teléfono celular, o también se puede acercar al juzgado en persona para pagar esta suma de dinero no antes de que se termine la semana. Y si esto es todo lo que usted tiene asuntos que tiene que atender con el juzgado, ya se puede retirar de la sala. Que tenga un buen día y buena suerte para usted.
Igualmente, gracias.
Same to you and thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care,
Gracias.
everybody. Thank you, Madam Interpreter.
You're welcome, sir. Your Honor, nobody else seems to be requiring the assistance of the interpreter, as you know.
No, not that I know of. So thank you, Madam Interpreter. If so, we'll give you a call back, okay?
That's quite all right, Your Honor. Can you do me a favor, though? I need to confirm the cases that I just helped. I don't know if the clerk will be able to put them on the chat. At least the case numbers. I don't need the names of the individuals. I think I have them, but I want to confirm that the case numbers that I have are correct. 186-6219, counts 1 and 2.
Wait a minute.
That was for Manuel Gordillo. And the other gentleman,
I have 186-9400, counts 1 and counts 2. That's Garcia.
give me a second, Your Honor. 186-9400, 1 and 2, correct?
Garcia and count 3 on that. And then
Okay.
I have also, the first one was SP
Gonzalez.
186-7030, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have them correct. I am all
And
set.
Thank you so much. Be safe, and we'll see you soon.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. You have a great day as well.
Thank you. On the Zoom user, I sent you a message to unmute yourself and start your camera. Good morning to you, ma'am. Start your camera and state your name, please, on the Zoom user.
Chanel Lawson.
Chanel Lawson.
Yes.
That's on the iPhone, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's iPhone Chanel Lawson. And Zoom user, ma'am, you're on the screen. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Deandra Guy. I already checked in.
Deandra Guy. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lever. Mr. Lever, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lever?
Yes.
His number is in the chat.
I'm gonna give you a pretrial date. That date is set so that you'll have an opportunity the attorney will have an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay.
It's 4496, the last four digits.
4486.
4486. All right, 4486. And the next court date is April 23rd, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. This is the
Excuse me, Judge. I've been here for a while, but I haven't checked in or talked to anyone yet.
I got you checked in, Mr. Love. Be safe. We were going in the order that you came in, all right? You're
Okay.
checked in and assign the order. City of Detroit versus Breonna Christine Gray, case number 214-70074, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gray.
Brianna Gray.
Sorry about that, Ms. Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gray, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, if you answer the phone, anyone, you're gonna get kicked and you're gonna get bumped out. So try not to answer the phone. You may lose your spot. Dupree, good morning to you, Attorney Dupree. Who's your client?
Morning, Judge.
Jonathan
I got Jonathan Lotta.
Are we ready?
Yes, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Jonathan Raymond Lotta, case number SP 182-58871 U72165325. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, paid 0132 for the defendants. Mr. Leda, would you state your name, please?
Jonathan Raymond Leda.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is the date time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Taylor, Zachary Taylor?
Judge, I do believe the officers appeared. They indicated no recollection. People therefore cannot proceed. We would move to dismiss.
I do see Officer Taylor. Who was the other officer? If you know.
I didn't, Ms. Horn didn't mention to me. She had just mentioned two different officers.
Both did.
Colin Gant on my parslip.
Let's see. Okay. No recollection. Okay. Move to dismiss.
Move to dismiss, Judge.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss. No recollection. Best of luck to you and your client. Have a very good rest of your day. Do you have anyone else?
That's it for me, Judge. Have a good one.
All right. You're free to leave, both of you. Best of luck to you.
Thanks, gentlemen. Good day.
Thank
you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want to do?
Yes.
All right. April the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gray, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Is it on Zoom as well, or is it in person?
It's like Burger King, ma'am. You have it your way, all right?
Okay.
The best I
Okay.
can come up with.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Asia Monique Sharonda Little Woods. Case numbers SP 1802750 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1802824 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 180283111. SP 180888781. SP 1808871. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Littlewood.
Asia Monique Shalonda Littlewoods.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, Ms. Woods has gotten into a payment plan on a lot of these matters. Particularly, I would have no issue with allowing her to be heard on some of the ones that she's in the payment plan with. And if you have your pen ready, I'll list those off.
Ready, Your Honor.
Expired plate, improper equipment, insufficient or defective lights, and no valid registration. Ms. Little Woods, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Run that license for me, Ms. Max, please. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Little Woods. Ms. Little Woods, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Little Woods?
Yes.
I'm going to set a trial date / formal hearing for April the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Jeffrey LaRon Lowe. Case numbers SP 1415755 counts 2, SP 185-80552. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lowe.
Jeffrey, last name Low. Jeffrey LaRon Low.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Mr. Granado, you have your hand raised, sir.
Hi, Aaron. How long you said it was the grace period?
It's a half hour. I believe, that's over with. Let's see. We'll see if any of the officers for the trial. Officer Nelson, you are Smith. Avado, one officer at least appeared. So Avado appeared. So McCaughlin appeared, another officer appeared. So you have a minute. Sit tight.
All right.
All right, let's see. While I'm here, so we'll see if I'm paperwork too. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney. Can you text Ms. Horn, please?
Text Ms. Horn, I got it. Did you text Ms. Horn?
No, actually, was texting her right now.
Oh, you are, okay.
I thought he was over there praying.
No, it's just-
Let me go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. Mr. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
That what you want to do, Mr. Lowe?
Yes, sir.
Don't fall asleep again, Mr. Lowe, all right? All right, trial date is gonna be April the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m., all right? There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best
You
of
too.
luck to you. All right, thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Reginald Allen Lanster. Case number SP 186-82981. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lamster.
Reginald Allen Langster.
Langster, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, where does he appear on the
He's on the one between Guy and Lateef. He just has an open alcohol and a motor vehicle passenger allegation.
Oh, there he is. Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
What'd you laugh at, Miss Mount?
Huh?
What'd you laugh at?
Oh, yeah. Because it didn't seem like he was coming. He said, well, he might have been watching this TV.
She didn't respond.
Well, she did not have good sex. He might have been thinking about lunch.
If anybody's dealing with any housing insecurities, you can send me a note in the chat or say something to the city attorney or one of the attorneys. I'm sorry, one of the attorneys, all right? You say what?
But that's officer lunchtime.
Lunch? Oh, he gonna get something to eat.
I'm sorry.
Gilmore, Gloucester, and Glover. Is Destin Glover here?
See you soon. She said she did. This time I believe I lost my sound.
You lost your son. How do you do that?
I found it. That's
Where?
we have fell in the recycle bin.
Oh, it's just garbage now.
It was in a plastic bag.
Oh.
You would have never looked there.
Where all y'all get them cookies this morning from?
Well, I buy those cookies. I have them at home. I get my coffee.
Where'd y'all get them from this morning?
It's not,
From home.
you check my mail.
No, I haven't. I gotta get the key. I don't know. You want me to go now?
Well, I mean, whenever you
I
can.
can go. I'm not doing that. I'll be right back.
Miss Williams Law,
Yes, Judge.
can you give Miss Mathis that key to my mailbox, please?
I can. I'll be in there Thursday. I have exams with Judge Taylor.
Very good. You're not gonna be here
No,
Thursday?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure how who they'll have in here, but no, I have to do exam for that day. And then all next week I'm in exams too. But I'm here Friday. I'm here, tomorrow and Friday.
If anybody's gonna be here Friday.
Oh, not Friday. I'm not here Friday. Don't just X out what I said. Nope. I'm here. I'm in. Ow. I'm delirious. I'm here Thursday in the building, and I'll get the key to you, Ms. Mathis.
Okay, that's cool.
All
All
right.
right, and let's go back on the record with Mr. Lankster. Give me the correct, Lankster, I'm sorry. Give me the, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
April the 27th, 2026, Mr. Langster, is your next court date at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too.
Thank you. Is Miss Gatson here?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Shaquaya Santana Gatson. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Shaquaya Gaddison.
This is case number SP 1401172, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaddison.
Shaquaya Santina Gaddison.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gatz, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Miss Geiger, do you want me to appoint you an attorney on this stuff?
Sorry, I was trying to unmute. Yes, I'd like to talk to one, Your Honor.
Okay, you can talk to one today, but they're gonna just probably set you up with an appointed attorney. We can get you out of here and bring you back on another day, get your contact information, and I can get that appointed attorney to call you about this stuff, all right?
Okay, the gentleman that I spoke with on my arraignment date, he took my information and actually told me the same thing that I would have heard from an appointed, court appointed, but I've answered every phone call and I haven't received one.
All right,
So
let
I'm
me
not,
wait on your file. Give me a minute.
sure.
Put your number in the chat, please.
Okay.
And so I can have it just to make sure if there's not a one in the file.
It says chat disabled, Your Honor. Thank you.
Welcome.
I put my name and number there.
Very well. Can I get it? That file, that's all. I'll take it. Thank you.
Sorry, people get on scam now.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gatson. Ms. Gatson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to open alcohol in a vehicle as a passenger. The other matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you're signing up for 2 points on your driver's license with this deal?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I didn't know that. But
Do
yeah.
you know it now? You
Yeah.
understand it now, ma'am?
Yeah, I know it now.
And do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I do not.
You have, you know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
You sure you want to plead to a 2022 matter 4 years ago? Almost?
I'm just ready to get my license back, honestly.
This is not affecting your license.
It's not? Well, I didn't know.
No, you should have gone to the Secretary of State and tried to get a valid license. If you can't get a valid license, you can ask them for a printout of anything that's affecting your license. You want a trial date, ma'am?
No, sir.
You still want to take this deal?
I mean, kind of do. Just want to get it over with.
That's okay. We'll let you get it over with then. Take the 2 points, $240. You have 240?
Yes.
All right. Let's draw your attention back to November 6, 2022, around 1:35 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of East Warren and Alta Road. You have an occasion on that day to be in a motor vehicle and have contact with the Detroit police on that date and that time, or around that date and that time.
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
It was a bottle, like half empty, kind of empty.
Of what?
Vodka or something like that. I don't remember what it exactly was, but it was a bottle of liquor. Sorry.
You don't have to be apologetic. It's amazing to me that you just want to get it over with and you got cash like that and want to spend it. And you can't remember what bottle it was. Well, police remember it, but you said it was empty. You said it was an open bottle, correct?
Yes, sir.
And it was some in the container, correct?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger with stipulation of probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
240, ma'am. When can you pay it?
You pay it today.
All right. Pay it. Make sure it gets in here by the end of the week at least. Pay it by April 2nd. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, City of Detroit versus Deandra Adele Moniz. Is that Monami's guy?
No, it's Deandra Del Moniz guy.
Moniz guy. All right, she asked for an appointed attorney. Let's see if we can get that appointed attorney for her. All right, let me pass it. Let me try to get that appointed attorney for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Let's see. Is Alexandra Gonzalez here? He's on the telephone. You need to press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Good morning, Alexander Gonzalez, present.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is City of Detroit versus Alexander Gonzalez, case number SP 969-3702. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Alexander DeHelio Gonzalez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gonzalez, he owes many civil infractions that are related to this. He's in a payment plan with those civil infractions. Mr. Berry, you give Mr. Gonzalez an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. He's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
All right, I see you, ma'am. Ms. Geiger requested an appointed attorney as well. Can you see who that appointed attorney is, please?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Galloway.
Hello.
Morning. Did you request an appointed attorney the last time?
Yes.
Let's make sure Ms. Galloway has an appointed attorney. Good morning to you.
Good morning. No, don't touch that, Rylan.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of impeding traffic 2 times, with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gray?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
With that, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the improper lane use and blocking traffic for the disregarding the traffic control device. I'll dismiss the other matters. I'll cut you a break. I've only fined you on one of them. $175. When can you pay?
Next Friday, I think. That's when I get paid.
Pay it by April the 10th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. You have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Dominique Charnel Lieber, case number SP185-4305, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Dominique Lever.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Nelson did appear. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Lever, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Did Callaway get an appointed attorney? Nobody does.
I think it's the, I don't know what's going on.
But this is old. This is not the new system.
Yeah, I think with the conversion, because normally I could just go in here and put up the fast for you, but
Ms. Miles is mad now.
no, I'm not mad. I just think it's the, because we trying to do a job in here. We trying to
So
help
give
the people.
them together, Ms. Miles.
They not listening to me, Judge.
Give them together.
No, they don't.
Got Secret Service on.
Hey, she gotta do it.
No, it's just that it's I told Miss Thomas about the lapse, because Miss Thomas.
We got Michigan.
Michigan and
Michigan gonna do it all.
Michigan, UConn.
Yeah, whatever. I don't know who's gonna win.
No matter who the other game is.
I don't care about Michigan, but they're gonna win it.
Illinois gonna be the first Big Ten national championship in a long time.
That'd be crazy, wouldn't it?
That'd be crazy.
Are we ready on Lee? Are we ready on Lee?
Yes, Judge, my case.
Yes, City of Detroit versus Equal Lee, case number SP183-6147, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Barrett on behalf of Jaquita Lee. Judge, I had a chance to talk to the prosecutor set for trial today. The plea offer is failure to display balance to be dismissed. Judge, the officer was present.
Ms. Lee, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Nico Lee.
All right, Ms. Lee, you heard that offer. You want to take the deal?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, ma'am. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Harris, Miss Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes,
You understood those rights?
yes,
Any questions about those rights?
no,
You know, by taking a deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
yes,
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
no.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 29th, 2025, at around 5:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Van Dyke and Miller Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time and have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes,
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
yes,
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
I don't have it.
Yeah, you didn't have one at the time, correct?
Yes,
You satisfied, counselor?
Not satisfied.
Satisfied, Pine County guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters. Stipulate the probable cause, counsel. I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, Officer Patman, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Detroit Police Officer Demar Patman, badge 24.
All right, you have to turn your camera on, please. All right. That's all right, very good. $240, Miss Lee. When can you pay?
Can I get some time? I just paid you 480. We'll pay 480 like a week ago.
You ain't pay me 480. No, let's not get it.
I did. You the
Not
one who
me.
told
You
me.
did get. Let's not get it twisted. I didn't get
Oh,
480.
not you. I mean, I'm saying not you in particular, but I
Yes.
paid 480 on your phone.
I got you. I got you. All right. I just want the record to reflect. I didn't get 480 from Miss Lee.
Okay.
All right. Give me a date. Put a date on it, Miss Lee.
Since I'm going to court for something else, can I have like
5/1, May 1st. Pay it in any
All right.
div that ask in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. You know how to do it.
Okay.
If it's nothing further, Miss Lee, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You as well.
Thank you. Are we ready on your other client, Miss?
Yes, Mr. Lackey.
Was the this is the state of Michigan versus Anthony Spencer Lamont Lackey, case number SX 4635759, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Anthony Lackey. Judge, this was another trial matter. The police were present. I talked to the city attorney. The plea offer is a reduction to drag racing, balance dismissed.
Officer Patman, you're free to leave if you choose. Do you want to take the deal, Mr. Lackey?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
You understand you also signed up for 4 points on your driving record.
Yes.
Ms. Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understand you have an absolute right to a trial, don't you?
Yes.
All right. And you understood those rights Ms. Barrett went over with you?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Ms. Barrett, I mean, I don't know, he's going to have to indicate what he actually did as far as reckless, because I don't have anything in here, any notes in here to suggest what they thought reckless was going to be. Okay.
Well, I can ask him the questions if you want.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to December 18th, 2025, around 2:02 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Southfield Freeway and McNichols Road. Were you operating a motor vehicle on that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And let me just say this. All my life, the most severe, I've never seen any more overturned vehicles on any place else but Southfield Freeway. I mean, you see it, all the time. Southfield Freeway, I don't know how cars get to be flipped over, but the Southfield Freeway, I've seen dozens of them.
Semis and stuff.
Maybe it's because of Mr. Lackey. Go ahead. What did Mr. Lackey do?
Mr. Lackey, at that date and time, were you driving over the speed limit and had an accident?
Yes.
And how fast were you going over the speed limit?
I think I was going 15 over.
Well, Judge, it was more than that. Wasn't it more like over 25 or 30?
Yes.
Okay.
Why did you just tell me 15?
I think it was, I didn't know, it was either 20 or 15 in the average.
What speed limit were you going? Did you recall?
I think I was going 90.
90?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right.
And you call that 15 over? Do you know what the speed limit is? You don't even know what the speed limit is, do you?
On Southfield, I think it's 60.
No, it's 55.
Okay.
And you're going 90.
Right.
And you caused an accident.
Yes.
Almost should not take this plea. What was the accident? Was anybody injured?
Somebody hit me actually. And then
How? How is that possible? Was somebody you were drag racing with?
No, I had got over. I actually hit a wall. I didn't hit. Somebody hit me from the back and I hit a wall. Trying to get off the freeway.
Right. He hit the wall, right?
About to kill yourself. I'm just hesitant to taking this deal. I should make you plead to the reckless. Or make you go to trial. What were you doing 90 miles an hour for?
I was trying to get home, Your Honor.
What?
I was trying to get home, Your Honor.
Trying to get home?
Yes.
Probably just like most 99% of the other people on that freeway at that time, right?
You're right, Your Honor.
So what makes you getting home more important than anybody else? That you have to think 90 miles an hour?
It doesn't.
Run his driver's license, please. 90 miles an hour. In a 2011 Lincoln. The car is 15 years old.
That's right. Southfield's not even big enough. That's like the Davis. Remember the Davis? You go back to the Davis.
Let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, are you ready on your client?
Excuse me, Judge.
Let's pass the matter.
Oh, no. It's not that. One of my other clients, Jose Granado Aboite, is set for trial. I don't know if the cops are here because he wasn't here earlier.
Breakout room with him. Some of the officers are here. Mr. Aboite, join breakout room 6. Miss Barrett, you can go see him. I'm going to deal with Mr. I'll let you know what we come up with your client when you come out with the Aboite.
Thanks.
Mr. Berry, are you ready on your case?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Gonzalez.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Per the prosecutor, Your Honor, the matter is to be dismissed.
Per city attorney, I'm going to dismiss the case. Mr. Gonzalez, I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. If there's nothing further, you get this no insurance civil paid off at $215. I would pay that first before you get into the payment plan.
Matthew Dupree is doing.
Right on. Appreciate it.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Likewise. Thank you, Your Honor. Everyone have a good day.
All right. The other counsels, let's say Geiger, and Galloway. We've identified the attorney that's going to represent you. I'm going to allow you to speak with him when he rejoins the room. What about Lawson?
Okay.
All right. Lawson, Chanel Lawson. This is the Miss Lawson. Did you request an appointed attorney?
I spoke with an attorney already.
Who's the attorney you spoke with?
You know what? He was on this call too. I don't remember his name though.
The white guy, Mr. Dupree?
No, the black guy. He had dreads or locks.
You didn't speak with him. You spoke with him when you first got arraigned.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Chanel Latrice Lawson, case number SP 186-15541. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lawson.
Chanel Latrice Lawson.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a
Pre-trial.
Trial. It's represented wrong here on the ROA. It's represented as squatting, but it's actually written as the actual ticket as trespass, Mr. Berry. And the MCL number is 750.552 paren 1 paren A.
Once more, Your Honor,
750.552 paren 1 paren A. It needs to be changed on the register of action. All right, Miss Lawson, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Lever. Ms. Lever, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
With a recommendation to dismiss.
Right. All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases, ma'am, per the city attorney. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
All right, you're right. Thank you. This is the city of Detroit. This is Andrea Greer, case number SP 187-0567, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harris, on behalf of Ms. Greer, please state your name.
Good morning, everyone. Andrea Greer.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day, date, and time set for a arraignment, for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Greer, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
I have no file for her judge.
Who?
Adriana Greer.
Andrea Greer? Oh. Is a newer case.
Yes.
Did you get that driver's license?
It's valid.
No, I want to see it.
No, it's inside the file.
Lacking. Trooper McCoughlin, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
All right, they're working on your defendants right now. Attorneys here and the defendants here.
Okay, clear on that. I just was coming in because there was 3 officers assigned to the case from 3 different agencies. That's why I was just curious.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lackey.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, based on that, I'm gonna find you guilty as to the drag racing. I believe that does amended count of drag racing. I believe it does amount to a reckless driving 90 miles an hour on Southfield Freeway. Like I say, the freeway that I've seen more rollover crashes than I can count on my fingers and toes. And you're telling me that you were in a hurry to get home. I mean, if you don't realize how ridiculous that sounds and how ridiculous that is, then I don't know if you need a driver's license ever again. But I'm not gonna, your driving record does not look bad. But you're gonna need to slow yourself down, so you're gonna kill somebody or you're gonna kill yourself or both. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, $240 is gonna be the fine. When are you gonna pay it?
Can I get a couple weeks?
Give me a date, sir.
Can you give me the May 1st?
Pardon me?
May 1st?
May 1st. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. You have until April the 2nd. You owe the court $135 for this other speeding ticket and $105 for the no registration ticket. So you need to come down by April 2nd and make arrangements on those before the late fee and stuff kicks back in, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, if nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yeah, me too.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lawson. Ms. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Okay, that's what you want to do, Ms. Lawson?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to set a pretrial date, and that date is set to make sure you get that appointed attorney has an opportunity to speak with you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay? Understood, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. The last 4 for you are 9864.
Yes, sir.
All right, answer the calls. Come back on strike that, April the 23rd. April the 23rd at 8:30, Ms. Lawson. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Here you go, Mr. Barry. You get stuck with the long ones all seem like. City of Detroit versus Marcus Lane, case number SP 113187, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1232365, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 133-83951. SP 135-3794, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 135-7432, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-94152. SP 142-0124, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 146-11261. SP 153-78901. SP 854241, counts 1, 2, and 3. 217, 248, 5, counts 1, 2, 217, 324, 28, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lane.
Marcus Lane.
Your
All
Honor,
right,
for
good morning.
purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Lane. Day is date and time set for that arraignment on the bench form. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I see 1, 2, 3, no insurance proofs that are affecting Mr. Lane's ability to get clearances here at the 36th District Court. They're at $240 a piece, times 3. Potentially set yourself up to get a valid license if you can pay those off. Say potentially because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Ms. Galloway, I'm waiting on Mr. Dupree to show up. He's gonna be your attorney moving forward. I'm waiting, that's for Galloway, Geiger, and Guy.
Okay.
All right.
Do I stay on the Zoom? I'm sorry, my infant is starting to get a little antsy.
You do. You can mute yourself and turn your camera off. We understand. I think most of us have been there before. Can you run this license for me? Mathis, please. Front door. And run that license for me. Andres Gonzalez. Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name and start your camera. Good morning to you.
Hello, good morning.
You Andres Andy Gonzalez?
I'm Andres Gonzalez Domenech.
Dominance. Okay, very well. You do not need an interpreter, do you?
No, sir.
When his license, please. Doesn't have one.
Well, he have a name, I'm gonna run his name.
All right.
My license has been revoked.
Oh, very well. Don't run it down. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
The client will admit responsibility to the blocking traffic with explanation.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes. I'm sorry, yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, what's your explanation, ma'am?
My tie rod had broke and I have the paper showing that I had got it fixed the next morning.
Did you talk that over with the city attorney, Ms. Harris?
I did, Your Honor.
All right. All right, I won't fine you, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you all.
All right. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Ella Gooden, case number SP 1584771, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 186982001, SP 1869824, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gooden, please state your name for the record.
Ella Gooden.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, there's 2 other cases I called into the record. One is and I'll enter a not guilty plea because it's probably in warrant status. I'll recall the warrant. I'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. It's a driving while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor, old cases. She got a defective brake light with that case as well. And then you owe an expired plate as well on another old matter you never attended to. Miss Gooden, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right, are we ready on Granado?
Yes.
All right. What happened to Granado? We never printed that. Can you hear me? Okay, give me 1 second, please.
This is Bill Gray. I was wondering, did you all call my name? I was kind of work.
No, we haven't.
All right, thank you.
You're in line, sir.
Okay, all right, I can't. You can mute me again. Mute me. Go ahead and mute me.
All right, bro. City of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Jose Otto Avoite, case number SP 1722931, SP 1836584, counts 1 and counts 2, SX 4634675, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Jose Granado Aboite. Judge, all 3 of his matters were set for trial today, and the police officers showed up on all 3. There are offers made on all 3. Do you want me to give the offers now?
Please.
Okay, Judge. So on ticket SP 172291313, they're offering him a delayed 3-month sentence to disregard the officer's order. Then on SP 1836514, they're going to amend to passenger and dismiss open alcohol passenger, then dismiss count 2, no insurance. Then on SX 463-46752, limited access 21 to 25 is going to go to 6 to 10. And then counts 1 and 3 dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer Smith, are you there? Raise your right hand, please.
Me, Your Honor?
Yes. Do you swear or affirm? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail, a misdemeanors, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
I have a limited access 6 to 10, open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger, and as charged on the disregarding the officer's orders, right?
Correct.
Dismissing the rest.
Correct.
Officer Avedo, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Oviedo, badge 4254, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Trooper McCaughlin, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Daniel McLaughlin, Michigan State Police badge number 70.
All right, good morning to you. And Officer Smith never did come out, but he's in the breakout room. And Mr. Granada Abuedo, do you understand that if you keep getting in trouble, you're going to continue to come back to me?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that if you continue to get in trouble, it's not going to be just a fines if you keep getting in trouble?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you know what I mean by that?
Yeah, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to draw your attention back to December the 17th, 2025, around 3:10 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of I-975 and Springwell Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Michigan State Police?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you speeding on that day, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
How fast were you going?
I believe I was going 15 over because the freeway, the speed limit there is 55, which I didn't know because I think like a mile more, I think like less than half a mile, it turns into 70 again. Because like as soon as you pass Springwells, it turns into 70.
Okay, so what are you telling me? You're telling me you're going 15 over.
Yeah,
So
I was
you're saying
speeding out. So yeah, because right before that, I think the freeway was 75 and I must have been going like 80 or 75.
86, Your Honor, and a 55.
Yeah.
No, I see here. I just wanted to see where he was with that. You know, it's always just a few miles less. Right? All right. Find them responsible as to the amended count of limited access. Limited access 6 to 10. Let me draw your attention back to May the 11th, 2025, around 7:13 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Prairie and Diverse. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what did you do?
Oh, I try to drive off when the officers told me not to because I had got invited to a party and then I don't know why, but they said everybody's car was getting towed. I think they said cars that weren't insured, but my car wasn't illegally parked or anything. So I just didn't I didn't think it was like legal or anything. So I just moved my car when I wasn't supposed to when the officers told me not to, which I shouldn't have done.
All right, so you were just moving your car. So you were
Well,
driving
yeah,
off.
I was leaving the area because I didn't know they did that at their area, so it caught me off guard.
But you knew the officer told you to ordered you to stay where you were, right?
Yeah, Your Honor, but it was late. I was just trying to get home and stuff too.
Yeah, I think you're gonna be with that kind of 86 you've already pled in front of me on 1, 2, 3 other cases that you never paid. I'm gonna find them.
I'm trying to change all that because
Ask you to speak. I didn't ask you to speak.
Oh,
I'm gonna find guilty as to as charged to the disregard the officer's order.
Yeah, I think that was a 3-month delay, Judge.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to January 25th, 2026, around 8:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fort and Woodmere. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes,
I
Your
mean,
Honor.
strike that. Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, I did.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
I think it was like a tequila bottle, but I didn't even know it was there. Like I consented to the search, and I even offered the officers to do a breathalyzer on me, and they didn't want to do none of that.
Was it the tequila bottle? Was it did it have some tequila in it?
Yeah, it barely had like anything. I didn't even know it was there, officer. Like I said, I wanted them to do a breathalyzer just so I wouldn't get charged with anything like that, but they didn't want to.
He doesn't have to. You should have watched my podcast. Consenting to a search, that's probably the first mistake you made. Secondly, it doesn't matter whether the bottle had any, whether you had drank in it, had anything to
Yeah,
drink
no,
out of
I
the
get
bottle.
that now, officer. I had never got in trouble
Listen,
for
I'm not
anything like
asking
that.
you to talk, sir.
Oh,
You need to be quiet and listen sometimes.
We have to have the ability to.
It was some tequila in the bottle, correct?
yeah,
And it was open, correct?
yeah.
Find him guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
Excuse me, so stipulate.
All right, 240 and 240 added to your balance. I'm gonna pay it off by, you have 3 months to pay all of this stuff off, April the 1st. That's a 3-month delay on the one charge. And if you don't get any other trouble, if you get any misdemeanor, then I'm gonna take this delayed sentence away and it's gonna be on your record. Not just the officers disobeying the officer signal. Any misdemeanor, you're not gonna keep this delayed sentence on that one disregarding officer signal. 240 and 240 today, and add that on with the other 240s. Pay them by July the 1st, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, you have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you and officers. All you be safe out there, and see you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Take care.
That's it for me, Judge. Have a good one.
Very good. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Brian Shane Grenier, case number SP 166-8159, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. I don't think I ever got that file.
Brian Shane Griner.
Griner, I'm sorry. Let's see here. Oh, let's pass it. Let's pass it momentarily. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gooden. Ms. Gooden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
I'm respectfully requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want, Ms. Gooden?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll give you a trial / formal hearing on the 27th of April at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gooden, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Brian. What was that? Griner?
Griner. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Case number, please. SP 166-8159, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Brian Shane Griner.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Griner and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Griner, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
It's suspended.
We'll pass the matter.
Sure can. Let's go to Mr. Harris. I can have free trial day. Yeah, okay. Okay. No, I'm fine. It's things. Maybe this one back.
Run that license for me, please.
You said run the license.
Go back on the record with Mr. Lane. Mr. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the offer of the people to enter pleas to 3 counts of failure to display and 3 counts of allowing from among the no license charges. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, for efficiency purposes, Mr. Berry, the last ticket I see is January 3, 2024. That's more than 3 years ago. Any objection to stipulating to the faces of the ticket as an active factual basis for those guilty pleas?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Mr. Lane, with that, you're not going to contest that any of these tickets were written in error or anything like that, are you?
No.
And you're going to plead as charged to the 3 counts of failure to display and 3 counts of allowing. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. With that stipulation, I'm going to find him guilty of 3 counts of failure to display and 3 counts of allowing, with the other matters that I call into the record dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fees. And I will you'll have to pay the reinstatement fees. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, ask for sentencing. I'll fine you $240 for 3 of them. The 3 allowings, I'll cut you a break on the other 3. You still you owe the court a whole lot of money. You may want to get in. I'm going to mark the file allow payment plan, and on these tickets, I'm going to just go ahead and say pay by May the 1st, 2026, and also mark the file allow payment plan. I would, if I were you, I would come down before or on or before April 2nd to get into the payment plan, and but you're going to get until May the 1st to either pay it off. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or before May 1st, I would say April the 2nd, but that's up to you. I would give you an opportunity to come down and get into the payment plan. If you don't have anything further, so you have until May the 1st to take care of that. All right.
All right.
How much is it, Your Honor?
Oh, 240, and 240, and then we won't find him the other 240s on the other 3, and then he owes just, I don't know, thousands. Ms. Mathis will give an update when she puts it in the system. All right.
Yeah, thanks.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you too.
City of Detroit versus Lewis Green III. Case number SP 187-01291, SP 136-4732, SP 187-0130, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Green the third.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. He has another, and I'm going to arraign him on this, enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. He has another no insurance misdemeanor that it's older. I'll give you So put another no insurance misdemeanor on that, Mr. Berry. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
Judge, what was the defendant's name you wanted me to give an update on?
I don't know. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Well, am I gonna mess it up again? Grenier, I messed it up. Did I mess it up?
Reiner?
Griner. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griner. Mr. Griner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Griner?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back on the 27th of April at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Griner, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You also.
You're welcome. All right, City of Detroit versus Andreas Gonzalez Damachi.
Dominance, Your Honor.
Dominance, I'm sorry. Case numbers SP 181-49573, SP 182-70943. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Andres Gonzalez Domenech.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Dominich, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mrs. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Galloway, I'm waiting on your attorney to come out.
Okay, I was gonna say we was in the breakout room, but we didn't talk or anything. He said he was looking over my case and then he left the breakout room, so I didn't
So
know.
wait on him to come back, please.
Okay.
All right. He's waiting on you in the breakout room, Miss Galloway. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to the seatbelt charge and dismissal of the remaining matters.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Green?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of as charged to the seatbelt ticket. Dismiss the other matters. Mr. Green, $65. When can you pay it?
I told him I can pay it either Friday or Monday because I work as a contractor, so I'm waiting on investors.
Come out, pay it by April the 6th. Pay it at any
Okay.
kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Knight Love, case number SP 108-3784, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 149-3866, counts 1. SP 156933, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 15675-641. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Kente Love.
Kente, good morning to you. I'm sorry.
Good morning.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on his behalf. Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Love will put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Is that Lucci? I'm sorry, Lorinda Lucci?
Oh, it's Lachey.
Lachey, I'm sorry, ma'am. All right, you're next up.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss as he paid related civil infractions.
I'm gonna dismiss the case, sir, for paying related civil infractions. If it's something further, have a very good day and best luck to you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. City of Detroit versus Lorinda Lachey, case numbers SP 1301191, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 996785, counts 1, 2, and 3. U50593219, U50593319, and the state of Michigan versus Lorinda Lachey, case number SX 37696261. Appearance for the record, please.
Lorinda Lachey.
Ms. Harris, you're muted.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Lorinda Lachey.
All right, Ms. Lachey, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Ms. Harris, are you ready? No. Come on.
I'm
What
sorry.
are you doing?
It was a
What are you-
vape. It wasn't a blunt. It was a vape. I apologize.
I don't care what it is. Sit up. What's the difference?
The difference between a blunt and a vape? Is that what you're
Yeah,
asking?
yeah, what is the difference? And you smoking it in court?
I mean, there's no difference.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Love. Mr. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, can the court confirm that Mr. Love has a valid license?
Can you run Mr. Love's license, please? Vaping that stuff is killing. You don't even have a clue what's in that stuff. Not a clue. You should know what's in a blunt.
You don't know what's in a blunt either.
Well, you got an idea. You did. It's got some THC in it. You do know that, don't you?
But it still got chemicals just like that do.
Okay, go ahead. Smoke it all you want, but just not in here.
I understand. I apologize again for the record.
All right. Is it good?
Yes, ma'am.
License is valid.
Thank you, Your Honor. As my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration, we'd seek dismissal.
All right. I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss for providing valid documentation. I'm also gonna resentence him on SP 101-53011. I'll resentence him to $240 from the 535. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. You would be helpful in getting, taking care of this stuff before April the 2nd. You still owe the court a lot of money. Take care of it before April the 2nd, and you potentially save yourself some money on the civil infractions that you had. All right.
Okay, you said 240.
240 for that one, but you owe a whole lot of money in civil infractions, sir. So you owe couple $1,000
Okay.
in civil infractions.
Mm-hmm.
If it's nothing further, Mr. Love, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Have a blessed one.
You as well. City of Detroit versus Mel Gray. Case number SP 1870214, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Edward S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Mel Levon Gray. Mel Levon Gray.
Good morning to you, sir. Time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gray, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in the room, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Kelly McDowell, case number SP 124-23391, SP 160-8825, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 164-6506, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 182-5536, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. McDowell, please state your name for the record.
Is Ms. McDowell there? Okay, I guess Ms. McDowell left. Let's call past that matter. Let's call City of Detroit versus, I might get your first name wrong. Hyde David Levy. Give me the correct pronunciation if I messed it up, sir.
Tahid Levy.
Tahid Levy, I'm sorry. This is the City of Detroit versus Tahid David Levy, case number SP 157-02181. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Levy, please state your name.
Tahid Levy.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Levy. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Levy, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
He's in there, Ms. Harris. Let's pass the matter. Let's call, you ready, Mr. Dupree?
I am, Your Honor.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Deandria Adele Moniz Guy, case number SP 183-8261, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 183-8263, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 187-0110, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PH 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Guy, would you state your name, please?
Deandra Guy.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am. There are some matters that were not on the docket. I guess they probably were in default just recently. I'll give Ms. Guy an opportunity to be heard on those matters if the city has no objection. That is a failure to stop at a stop sign, a no valid registration, and an expired plate, Mr. Dupree. What does your client want to do?
Judge, we would move to set aside the defaults on those matters if the court would permit it.
Texting Zoom court. I'm the next person.
Mr. Gray, hold on. All right, well,
I just did it.
I muted him, Judge.
On the side, I'm sure what are you gonna do?
Judge is looking for a bench trial date on all these.
Trial date will be April the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Guy,
Yes, sir.
best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Enjoy your day as well. Thank you.
And this City of Detroit versus Tony Marie Geiger, case number SP 1866702, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant. Your name, please, ma'am.
Tony Geiger.
All right, good morning to you again, Ms. Geiger. Today is the date set for a
Pre-trial.
oh, thank you. What's your client want to do, Mr. Dupree?
It's okay, Judge. I don't mind being confused for Mr. Berry. I wish I was as good looking. Judge, I would ask for a bench trial date on this matter as well.
Trial date, April the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Geiger, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Aisha Monet Galloway. Case number SP 186-89821. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Galloway, your name, please.
Asaya Galloway.
Asaya, I'm sorry. Day is date and time is set for a pre-trial, Mr. Dupree.
Judge, just asking to set this matter for bench trial.
Trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
April the 27th, 2026, 9 a.m. Ms. Galloway, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, is that it, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me. Unless, is there anything else you guys needed?
No, we're sitting good. We got a few more people and that's it.
Sounds good, Judge. Have a good morning.
All right, you as well. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Mel Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gray? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Hello?
Yeah, you want trial date?
Yes, I would decide that. If I could, Your Honor, could it be on the Friday when I'm not working?
What day? I have April 27th. That's a Monday.
Could you get it to a Friday when I'm not working? I like to come in, so if I could come in, because I'm not that computer savvy. I want to come in, and then I could take care of my business and then present everything I need, if I possibly can, sir.
All right, April 24th on a Friday.
That sounds good. Great.
April 24th. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Mr. Berry, let's call the City of Detroit versus Samadine Abdul Latif. I'm sorry if I mispronounced it, sir. Case numbers SP 180-50641, SP 186-8060, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 186-8259, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Latif.
Mr. Latif, can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Safadine Abdul Latif.
Safadine. All right, good morning to you, sir. The day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, Mr. Latif has I'll allow him to be heard on this disregarding a red signal. You can add that to his, it was recently in default. I'll set the default aside so he can be heard on that. Mr. Latif, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris, I've already called for Mrs. Lashice.
So my question is actually with regards to Mr. Levy, if we could review his driving record to see what might be preventing him from getting a license.
You want to take the last one, Ms. Harris?
We already got one, Judge. I put it in her basket.
Oh, you already got one? All right, let me see. No insurance proof. 36 District Court. Let's see. SP 157-02063. He paid. No, that's not bothering him. I don't see a reinstatement for the 2014 ticket that was taken care of on the 2016 and 19th District Court in Dearborn.
He would need to pay a reinstatement fee.
He has another one, a 2007 ticket operating while impaired in Marine City. I don't see any disposition on that either. So I really can't. He needs to go to the Secretary of State and ask them. He pled guilty to that in 2007. So I don't know. I don't know. He's got to go to the Secretary of State. On the Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, please? What is your name, ma'am?
Kelly McDowell.
All right. Give me a few minutes.
J.S. Patel is here.
Morning, Mr. Patel.
Morning.
Hey, Leandra Lachey.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Ms. McDonald. Hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lateef. Mr. Lateef, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea as charged to improper equipment. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, the limit of improper equipment amended from the license thing? Improper license?
No, Your Honor, I have improper equipment.
Oh, Lateef, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong file. All right, improper equipment. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
With that, stipulate those stipulations. I'll find you responsible as charged to the as improper equipment, $120, and I'll dismiss the other matters. You still owe an old seatbelt ticket, an old disregarding a red ticket. I'll resentence him on SP 105-49221 to $240. That was at 385, old no ops. When can you pay it?
Give me some time, probably next month or in May.
May the 1st. You might want to come down here before May the 1st on the other tickets, on the civil infractions that were already old to take care of those or get into some kind of payment plan. I'll mark the file allow payment plan on this stuff too. So you may want to come down before April the 2nd so you can take advantage of the amnesty program. But May 1st, either pay it in, give that up to your phone. On down to
So you said come down before April 2nd for the amnesty program?
On or before April 2nd. Amnesty ends April the 2nd.
All right.
You got until May the 1st for the stuff if you find that you need time. But amnesty, you have some stuff that those late fees on those civil infractions are going to come back up if you don't get in here before they over. All right.
All right.
Best of luck to you, Mr. Lateef. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir.
Thank you. This is City of Detroit versus Kelly Tiana McDowell, case number SP 124-23391, SP 160-8825, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 164-6506, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 182-5536, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. McDowell.
Tiana McDowell.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. McDowell, I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Levy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Levy? Press *6 to unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, sir.
Back on
Yes,
April
sir.
20th. Come back on April 7th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day.
You said April 27th?
April the 27th, yes.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Deshaun G. Case numbers SP 110679-1, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 114079-2, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 17, strike that. SP 1178827-2. SP 1178835-1. SP 1238153, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1738094, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 86970411846699921. Appearance for the record, please. I got that.
On behalf of Mr. G, please state your name for the record.
Deshaun G. Jr.
Deshaun G. Jr. What's your date of birth, sir?
April 7, 2006.
Well, that's not him. That must be senior. April the 7th, 2006.
Yes.
Strike all that from the record. Let's call the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Deshaun G. Jr. Case number SP 1803282, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1858413, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1859487, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SX 45962611. Appearance for the record, please.
Michael Harris on behalf of Mr. G, please state your name.
Deshaun G. Jr.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer.
Okay.
If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. Can you run his license, Ms. Morris? He's got 2 files. All right, I'm going to join the room, sir. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Pass the matter.
The other one, is that the father?
So he's the 06. It is valid?
Yes. This is Daddy tickets. He's doing that 1978. Keep this stuff.
Hot in here, isn't it?
It's warm. It's not cold. Supposed to be hot today too.
No.
60, what they say, 68.
Let's go. Mr. G's license is valid.
And that's G.
He also
Deshaun G.
has valid
Khalid.
insurance and registration. Pre-trial docket.
Okay, thank you. Just making my notes. He's got 9 cases. I'll do an allowing and 2 improper plates. But we've got 9 cases. I can see if it was 2 or 3.
Okay.
Well, really, it's 1, 2, 3 cases. That one stop gave him like a whole list of tickets.
I understand.
Join room 5, Mr. G, please.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. McDowell. Ms. McDowell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the offer of the people to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for the matter ending in the improper license charge ending in 5361. Improper plates for the unregistered untitled ending in 5063. Improper plates for no insurance, the no insurance misdemeanor. Again, that's 5061. And finally, allowing for the driver's license never having been acquired, ending in 5062. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
So pleading a 4.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, ma'am? What is that? I don't understand you. You got to take your mouth, hand up. Can you raise your right hand, please? The other right. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes. I'm
Do you
sorry.
understand? Sorry, do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 7th, 2025 at around 12:34 PM in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin and Dever Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have one.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of strike that, of failure to display. Let me draw your attention back to November the 18th, 2020, at around 5:24 PM in the city of Detroit in the area of Hubble and Capitol. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Is that your 2003 Honda?
Yes.
And the officer asked you to produce valid insurance, driver's license, and registration?
Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
Didn't have insurance, license, or registration, correct?
No. Yes. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance, allowing for not having a valid driver's license, and improper plate for no registration. Stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Are you working, ma'am?
No.
I'll fine her for one of them, Mr. Berry. 240. I won't fine you for the other three, all right?
Thank you.
$240, ma'am. I'm gonna pay by May the 1st, 2026. I'll even mark the file allow payment plan since you said you're not working. So maybe you can come up with some 20% of that to get into a payment plan. I'll waive the warrant fees, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or
I'm
you,
sorry. I'm sorry. Can you say that first one again about the kiosk? I didn't hear you.
DIVDAT, DIVDAT, DivDat.
Okay. Okay.
And then you upload it to your phone, or you can pay it in person. You come down to the courthouse to get into a payment plan if you want to get into that payment plan, okay?
Okay.
On or before May the 1st. On or before May the 1st. If you don't have anything further, Ms. McDowell, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. G. Mr. G, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
And now we are asking for a trial date.
Trial?
But I still will note for the record that he has all valid documentation.
No, that was already, I'll only fine him for one if he wants to plead to it, $240.
Trial date, please and thank you.
All right, trial. April the 27th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. G. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Again, come.
I think
Oh, David Lovey.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lachey. Ms. Lachey, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Mr. Patel, he's still in the breakout room. Did you have a good conversation with him?
We did.
Do you want to participate in the program?
Yes, I do.
All right, I'm gonna say this to you, ma'am. I'll be praying for you. I understand you have these challenges. You're probably going through the most challenging time in your life. And we'll be praying for you for that. I do believe that if you put a lot of dedication and perseverance, that things will get better. I know it probably is not going to be easy, but hopefully you have the strength and the wherewithal to get through it. I know Mr. Patel's program, I've seen it work. And I believe in it, or else we wouldn't call him in here. But I will say this, quote from Martin Luther King. Dr. Martin Luther King says the true test of a man, meaning man or woman, is not where he or she stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where she stands in the times of challenges and controversy. So probably one of the most challenging times of your life. And I'm sure that this is your test, and I'm hopeful and prayerful that you'll get through it. Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Patel, I did talk to Ms. Lachey where you were in the breakout room, and she said that she's interested in participating.
Excellent. We'd ask for a return date of June 23rd.
All right, P number, put your appearance on the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry, apologies. Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Ms. Lachey.
All right, June 23rd, 2026, Ms. Lachey, please come back with some very good news and some better, and then things are progressing well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means you're gonna have to put some work in. All right.
No problem.
All right, I like to hear that. All right, best of luck to you, Ms. Lachey.
Thank you so much, and y'all have a wonderful day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Let me, Mr. Patel.
Yes.
I was gonna say this. Maybe one day, you can join the